Hello traders, welcome back to my channel NDT Strategies. So today, as you all know, that there is a big fall in the market. Like if you see here, from 17,380 to almost 19,960, 970, something like that. Almost 400 points fall. Nowadays we are seeing this kind of falls like 200 to 300 points, but not like in one direction with a 400 points fall. I never look into the news because I'm not a directional trader, and I'll not look into the news as well. So I used to do the number play. That's what I used to do on a non-directional trade. So if you see here, I'll be coming up with some videos as well during the weekend on my strategies. So please watch this video till the end. I'll be sharing some important things as well. So let me open my positions. I'm happy today that I can able to manage my positions and be in positive. You may ask me one thing, because see, falling, if you see here, market has gone out like 400 points down, and making like being a positive with 3000, it's not a big deal. But I just want to say you one thing. Being a non-directional trader, and if market is going in one direction, if you are able to manage the position to be in positive, that's a great thing, I can say, because the people who do a non-directional trade, they know about that. So it's all depends on how you manage the positions. And let me show you the positions as well. I just opened when market is in positive. If you see here, let me pull this up. Okay, see here, I opened my positions at 9:15. So I just entered into my positions at 9:15. From that time I was able to manage my position till end of day. So this is something you have to be uh, uh, keenfully watching the market, and you should know how to manage the position. Then only you can be in that kind of situation. And moreover, I was in loss of 8,000 at one point of time, and I was in profit of 7,000 at one point of time after managing the position. But still I'm holding the positions, because as I know that I'm going to get more amount from this kind of fall, right? This is something I'll take it as an opportunity to get more DK from whatever the position that I have. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So why I'm holding this position, let me show that as well. If I analyze my positions, see here, market is in one direction, but still I'm able to manage the positions and be in the top, like to get the max profit at expiry. I'm at that point of at that point till end of day. So that's how I manage the positions. And moreover, I did not take more trades. I did around 15 to 20 trades, I feel. So that's how I manage the positions. And moreover, if you look into it, why I did not put my profits at 7,000. So if you see here, on Monday, if I be at this place, I'm going to get 18,000 rupees. So I don't want to lose that. And if it goes 200 points, 150 or 200 points up, still I'll be getting 13,000 or 14,000 rupees. So that's why I'm holding. If market goes down by 150 or 200 points, then I'll be in a break even point. So not like 700, like somewhere around 800. Now that market is at what to say, 16,985. So I don't expect more than 100 or 150 points down on Monday. So if it goes 150 points also, I'll be ending it at break even. So I know how to adjust the position and come back to this place. So that I can do. So this is what I used to do on daily basis, managing my positions. I will not hold my positions. Only thing that I'm holding this position because I'm going to get max profit on Monday. So that is the reason I'm just holding this position. And moreover, if you look at the break even as well, this is based on the expiry day break even, but not the Monday's break even. But still not a problem. And moreover, whatever the investment that I deployed here is almost like 18 lakhs, and max loss is 1.83. But for sure I'll not be at that situation, because I know how to manage these positions. So that's it for the day, and please share and subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please click the like button, and I'll come up with more videos on my strategies. This is not the only one thing that I used to do. I have but I'll trade only on the index, Nifty and Bank Nifty. If someone who is loving the Bank Nifty, so I'll be coming up with one video on this. Sorry, there's a breakup in my power. Okay, so I'll be coming with the video on this weekend, so you can look into my strategies, and if you want, you can play that strategy as well. Only request from my side is please share and subscribe to my channel, and press that bell icon so that you'll get all the videos that I'm posting in. Thanks for watching. Thank you.